As you're dealing with electrical current, hot metal and intense light, welding can be hazardous if not performed correctly. Please ensure that you familiarize yourself with the proper safety and usage requirements before use. Congratulations on your purchase of your new Repco Portable Inverter MMA Welder. We'd like to take a few moments to guide you through the assembly and setup of your new machine. Your Repco welder incorporates cutting-edge IGBT inverter technology for exceptional arc stability combined with high duty cycle. Super compact and lightweight makes for exceptional portability. Housed in a robust metal enclosure with VRD safety protection, it's the ideal machine for on-site engineering and maintenance. We'd like to take a few moments to guide you through the assembly and setup of your new machine. For detailed instructions of the process, please refer to your machine's manual. Included in the box are the following items: instruction manual, quick reference guide, DVD setup guide, power source, electrode holder, earth clamp and lead set. Please check all the accessories are in the box and there's been no freight damage to the machine or accessories. Your Repco welder comes assembled straight out of the box. Let's set up your welder for manual metal arc welding. Connect the TEX plug from the electrode holder leads to the positive terminal on the power source. This is the most common option for the electrode holder in arc welding of general purpose electrodes. Refer to your manual for other options. The earth lead and clamp are used to complete the electrical circuit. Insert the TEX plug in the negative terminal of the power source. A good earth on clean steel ensures optimum welding performance. The RPW180INV is designed to run on 15 amp 240 volt AC power supply. If an extension cord must be used, it should be no longer than 10 meters long and be a heavy-duty industrial 15 amp version. When the power switch on the machine is activated, the cooling fan will start and the digital display will light up. As we're setting up the machine for arc welding, select Stick on the Process Select button, giving you high open circuit voltage for arc striking. The current adjustment control is used to select the correct amperage for your chosen thickness. To ensure the correct amperage is selected, please refer to your user manual or electrode packaging. Once the correct amperage has been obtained, insert the bare end of the electrode into the electrode holder. Your welder comes with the added safety of the voltage reduction device, or VRD. The VRD reduces the chance of electric shock before the arc is ignited. This risk of electric shock is always present and safe operation must be adhered to at all times. It's important to remember that once the power is on, there's power to the electrode holder. Only turn your machine on when you're ready to weld. A quick word on safety. The minimum requirement for welding is leather safety gloves and full-face welding helmets. Other options for full protection are leather welding jackets, leather welding aprons, and full-face automatic welding helmets. The automatic welding helmets make things very easy by changing to the correct protection instantly when the weld starts. These optional accessories are available from your nearest Repco store. Your Repco welder is protected by the thermal overload circuit. If the light is glowing, your unit has reached its rated duty cycle. Remove the electrode from the electrode holder and place the electrode holder away from the earth clamp. Allow the fan to cool the machine, and when the light stops glowing, you're free to weld again. Many things can affect your duty cycle, like running the unit on extension leads and hot or cold environments. You're now ready to weld. Your Repco welder is protected by the thermal overload circuit. If the overload indicator lamp lights up, your unit has reached its rated duty cycle. Allow the fan to cool the machine, and when the light stops glowing, you're free to weld again. Many things can affect your duty cycle, like running the unit on extension leads and hot or cold environments. For further technical information, please consult your manual. Setting up your Repco Inverter arc TIG welder for lift DC TIG. Once you've purchased the optional TIG welding kit or TIG torch, regulator and arranged rental of argon gas bottle and filler rod, you're ready to tackle panel steel, stainless steel and copper. For welding of alloy, AC current is required. This machine is not suitable for alloy. Connect the TEX plug from the TIG torch to the negative terminal on the power source. Connect the TEX plug from the earth lead to the positive terminal on the power source. Secure the workpiece and connect the earth clamp. Connect the gas line of the TIG torch to the disposable regulator and screw onto the disposable bottle. Do not open the valve until you're ready to weld. Or, if using a refillable bottle, connect the argon regulator to the bottle, then connect the gas line to the regulator. If using a refillable bottle, set the gas regulator to between 6 and 10 litres a minute. Install all components to the front end of the torch, making sure that the thoriated red tungsten has been sharpened to a point. The RPW180INV is designed to run on 15 amp 240 volt AC power supply. If an extension cord must be used, it should be no longer than 10 meters long and be a heavy-duty industrial 15 amp version. Turn on the power source, selecting TIG on the welding mode switch. Selecting the correct amperage for the chosen material and joint. Open the gas valve on the bottle. Open the gas valve located on the TIG torch. With the ceramic cup resting on the workpiece and the tungsten 2 to 3 millimeters above it, rotate the torch head so that the tungsten touches the workpiece. Rotate the torch head forward again. This will lift the tungsten from the workpiece, creating the arc. Lift the cup from the workpiece. Once the weld pool has developed, tilt the torch to about 75 degrees and move slowly along the joint, adding filler rod to the leading edge of the weld pool. The shielding gas should be kept flowing over the completed weld until it's cooled from red hot. This also applies to the tungsten in the welding torch. Once you've finished the joint, close the valve on the TIG torch. This will save gas while you reposition for the next weld. You've now started your journey. Make sure you check out your local Repco branch for welding consumables and accessories to help you with your projects. Thanks for your attention and all the best for your welding projects.